I'm going to sit here and basically sweat with you and tell you everything that you need to know about this sucker. We're going to go in the kitchen. You're going to follow me with the camera. We're going to make the sauna drink, do the towel thing, the exercise portion. We're going to talk about, consumption, minerals, vitamins, all the supplements, tricks of the trade if you don't sweat. All I know is that it has everything in it that you could ever ask for about running one of these things.
People have been asking, they want to know how to get the best results out of their sauna sessions for optimal health, and they want to know about timing, all of those things. I want you to kind of talk about what are some simple things that they could do to improve their sauna session.
There's three main things.
Okay.
Number one is exercise beforehand, right? A lot of times people are just sitting in the sauna. It's great to make you sweat, but you still want to get your lymphatics moving. So go for a walk, jump on the rebounder, walk in place. I don't care what you have to do. Just some form of movement, because sauna is still sitting, right? So we want to incorporate movement and sauna. Number two is hydration. If you have to take electrolytes or some mineral complex or whatever it is for you that works better, do that. But you want to make sure that you're adequately hydrated. People think that hydration, counts as, oh, I have a water bottle during my sauna session. No. 48 hours beforehand, you want to make sure that you're adequately hydrated. This is not something that is just solved in a couple of hours. If you're just drinking coffee all day, or if you had a glass of wine with the gals, last night at the wine place, you got a little carried away, all these things contribute to dehydration. So you just having a water bottle during your sauna session and thinking that that's adequate is not, right? You're misinformed. And so generally, for most people, if you're doing other activity, exercise, gym stuff, play any sports, chasing the kids around, sweating your butt off, anything where you're sweating outside of the sauna, you probably want to try an electrolyte supplement now and then as well. Just to replace some of that sodium. You want to make sure your potassium and all your ratios stay in range. So the third thing is your schedule. Most people are trying to He-Man it. They're trying to think, more is more, more is better. No. When you first start with sauna, less is more. You don't want to sauna every single day, especially if you're taxing your nervous system or you're taxing the capability of your body at your heat therapy threshold, right? Heat tolerance is a learned threshold for the body, just like running a 5K would be. If you've never run a 5K before, you're not going to take off around the block and all of a sudden run 3 miles, right? And so heat therapy is exactly the same. There's some good conditioning that needs to happen to get your baseline heat tolerance in order. And so every other day, 3-4 times a week is plenty. You want to have a recovery period after you do this. You're not going to kill yourself, knock yourself out if you want to tax yourself. But if you wake up tired or you wake up, you're going to know why.
The resource that they should probably be looking into is that course that we built a while ago, right?
This Michael course?
Michael.
We just call it the Michael course. The course that we've done twice? Yes, that one.
I do want to say this, though. That is the most comprehensive resource for sauna usage and the best utilization of this tool on the internet. That is actually anywhere. I don't know if books have this.
Yeah, we haven't seen anything like it. And it took us, I don't know how many weeks to film the thing. But it's me on camera sweating, telling you, what to do, how to do it, what I like, what I think works, what's been proven, what hasn't. I still have a little bit of my own perception of myself is like, but I haven't seen anything else where somebody has exhaustive resources put in place quite like that. So
where will they be able to find it? It's not out yet, right?
Dude, we've changed the name so many times. You might be able to find it on Certified Wellness. It might be Certified Saunas. It might be Certified something.
When it's done, can we link it below?
Yeah, it was supposed to be the Infrared Sauna User Guide, and it was originally for a Radiant Health sauna specifically. So if you bought one of these things, it's me sitting in there with you for 30 days straight saying, okay, you watch the install video from YouTube, you know how to bring it in your house and put it together. Now it's the next day, it's day one of you and I together. I'm going to sit here and basically sweat with you and tell you everything that you need to know about this sucker. Anything that you would want to know. We're going to go in the kitchen. You're going to follow me with the camera. We're going to make the sauna drink. We're going to do the towel thing. We're going to talk about the exercise portion. We're going to talk about, consumption, minerals, vitamins, all the supplements. We're going to talk about tricks of the trade if you don't sweat. What do you do for that? I'm going to sit there and show you. I'm going to go in the bathroom. We're going to make the hot tub thing for the feet and do all that. Everything. But it's had so many iterations, I don't know what the final one will be like. All I know is that it has everything in it that you could ever ask for about running one of these things.
So if there's something that you like from today's video or you're looking for more resources,
At CertifiedSaunas.com, on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources if you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together. We have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to CertifiedSaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna Community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.